Welcome to Empower Your Journey. It's that time of year again, isn't it? The air is getting crisp, the calendars are filling up, holidays are coming up. The thought of seeing family puts a warm smile on your face. But bless your hearts, there's that one little hurdle, the airport during the holidays. It can feel like a cattle call mixed with a pop quiz you didn't study for. But hold on now. Don't let that anxiety bubble up. I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be that way. With a little know-how and a few tricks, you can glide through like you own the place. We're walking through the latest 2025 TSA rules with practical common sense. Think of this as your personal cheat sheet. From what to pack and how to dress, to avoiding pitfalls, we'll make it feel less like a chore and more like the start of an adventure. Ready? Let's count down the top 10 hacks. Let's start with the foundation, your identification. Hack number 10, know your ID and keep it handy. For 2025, you need a valid government photo ID to fly domestically, a real ID-compliant license, a U.S. passport, or another federally approved ID like a military ID. The trick isn't just having it, it's where you put it. Don't bury it and hold up the line with a frantic dig. Before you leave home, place your ID and boarding pass in a secure, easy-access spot, front jacket pocket, travel wallet slot, or a top pouch. Walk up with documents in hand. You make their job easier, and your trip quicker. A digital copy on your phone won't cut it. Do a little pocket pat. Phone, keys, wallet, passport, check. Use a bright pouch for ID, card, and pass. Easy to spot, easier to sail through. Hack number 9. Pack your liquids the smart way. The 3-1-1 rule still applies in 2025. 3.4-ounce containers, all in one clear quart bag, one per traveler. Toothpaste, shampoo, even that fancy jam. If it spreads, smears, or pours, it's a liquid for TSA. Oversized liquids light up the X-ray and trigger a manual search. Put your quart bag on top so it slides into a bin fast. Snow globes, creamy cheeses, peanut butter. Yep, liquids. Size them or check them. Hack number 8. Wear checkpoint-friendly shoes. Without pre-check, shoes usually come off. And that's where lines crawl. Choose slip-ons, loafers, flats, or elastic lace sneakers. Slide off, slide on, keep it moving. Simplicity is speed. Save the statement shoes for later. Your future self, and everyone behind you, will thank you. If you're loving these tips so far, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a quick comment. I'd love to hear from you. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? It's totally free, and it helps me keep bringing you more travel-smart, money-savvy videos every week. Hack number 7. Use TSA PreCheck, or Clear if you can. Think of it as your airport fast pass. With PreCheck, you typically keep shoes, belt, light jacket on, and leave your 3-1-1 and laptop in the bag. 10 steps become 2. Clear verifies your identity with biometrics, so you skip ID check. Clear Plus. PreCheck equals front of the fast lane. Enroll well before the holidays. Approval takes time. Many travel cards reimburse the fee. Hack number 6. In standard lanes, electronics bigger than a phone get their own bin. Laptop, tablet, e-reader, big camera. Don't bury your laptop. Pack it last in a slim sleeve or top compartment so it slides right out. Think layers. Top, security items. Middle, in-flight comforts. Bottom, everything else. Smooth and drama-free. Hack number 5. Know the rules for gifts and grub. Solids can fly in carry-on. Liquids and spreads must follow the 3-1-1 rule. Even gravy, cranberry, and dips. Wrapped gifts can be unwrapped by TSA if flagged. Pack in gift bags or wrap at your destination. Perfume, lotions, olive oil, they're liquids. Size them or check them. All right, we're halfway through. 5 hacks down. Which one's your favorite so far? Which hack are you definitely going to try this holiday season? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your go-to move for surviving holiday travel chaos. Hack number 4, Steer clear of common banned items, multi-tools with blades, corkscrews with knives, full-size aerosols, easy to forget, impossible to keep. Use TSA's What Can I Bring tool before you zip up. It's right on their official website at tsa.gov. You can type in almost anything, from nail clippers to peanut butter, and it'll tell you if it belongs in your carry-on or checked bag. Do a final sweep of every pocket and sleeve. 5 seconds now can save you 15 minutes and a whole lot of stress at security. Avoid the flag, keep the flow. Hack number 3, plan for medical needs. Medically necessary liquids, gels, aerosols are exempt from 311. Bring reasonable quantities, but declare them. Keep meds in labeled containers, carry a doctor's note for syringes or devices, and tell the officer up front. A calm heads up gets you calmly guided through. Easy peasy. Hack number 2, master carry-on order. Treat your bag like a command center. Security items on top, quick grabs in outer pockets. Use cubes and pouches, one for chargers, one for snacks, one for comforts. Find things instantly. No life story dump on the seat. As you pack, ask, when will I need this? If it's at security or on board, make it easy reach. That's how you look and feel like a pro. Oh, and to make packing even smoother, grab my free carry-on size cheat sheet for over 100 airlines in the description below. It's a total lifesaver when you're trying to avoid those surprise baggage fees. Hack number 1 costs nothing, needs no gadget, and makes everything better. Be polite and patient. TSA officers, gate agents, flight attendants, they're people, y'all. A smile, a please, a thank you. It can flip an interaction and speed up the help you get. Expect lines, build buffer time, breathe through delays. Upset won't make a plane appear faster. If there's a real issue, ask for a supervisor, calmly. Calm requests get calm solutions. 10 hacks to turn holiday travel into celebration. Know your ID, pack smart, lead with kindness. You're now a savvy, prepared traveler moving with ease and confidence. So what do we learn? The holidays don't have to mean stress, airport chaos, and last-minute panic. With these 10 travel hacks, you can skip the drama and actually enjoy the journey this year. So tell me, which hack are you definitely going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. I want to know your go-to move for surviving holiday travel. Now go pack those bags, grab your snacks, and get ready to make this holiday season your smoothest one yet. And hey, if you loved these tips, I've got another video you'll definitely want to see next. Until next time, travel smart, spend less, and live free.